A very good morning to all the students. This is Veena teacher. We are in the chapter Structure of Chromosome, Cell Cycle and Cell Division. In previous module, we saw mitosis, meiosis, karyokinesis phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. We saw difference between the plant and animal cell mitosis, and we saw the significance of mitosis. In today's module, we're going to start with meiosis. Meiosis is a process where a single cell divides twice to produce 4 cells containing half the original number of chromosomes. These cells are sex cells, sperm in the case of males and egg in the case of female. During the meiotic division, one cell divides twice to produce 4 daughter cells. These 4 daughter cells only have half the number of chromosomes of the parental cell, that is, they are haploid. Meiosis produces our sex cells or gametes. In plants, it takes place in anthers and ovule producing pollen grain and female gametophyte respectively. There is one important event that happens during the meiotic division, that is known as crossing over. Crossing over is a swapping of sections between the homologous pairs of chromosomes. It occurs during the prophase 1 of meiosis. It results in the genes being swapped between the maternal and paternal chromosomes. Gametes show greater diversity because of crossing over. Here in a diagram, you can see the maternal and paternal chromosomes. This is the crossing over. The point of crossing over is known as Chayes-Matter. Crossing over may be defined as an exchange of genetic material between the non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, resulting in a new combination of genes. Here you can see the new combination of genes being formed. The crossing over takes place during the early stages of prophase first of meiotic cell division. Significance of meiosis. Chromosomal number is halved in gametes. Therefore, after fertilization, the normal chromosomal number is restored. Mixing up of genes happens because of crossing over that takes place during the prophase 1 of meiosis. Let us see the difference between a karyokinesis and cytokinesis. The word karyon means nucleus. Kinesis is division. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Here, the duplication of chromosome has already taken place. After the mitotic division, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, here you can see that the nucleus has divided. Now the karyokinesis is followed by cytokinesis, where after the nuclear division, the cytoplasmic division takes place. Therefore, after karyokinesis and cytokinesis, one cell divides and forms 2 daughter cells. Let us see the difference between the mitosis and meiosis. Where does mitosis and meiosis happen? Mitosis occurs in somatic cells, meiotic division occurs in reproductive cells. Significance of mitosis and meiosis. The mitosis is useful for the growth and replacement. Meiotic division helps in gamete formation. The number of daughter cells formed after mitosis and meiosis. 2 daughter cells are formed after mitosis, 4 daughter cells are formed after meiosis. The number of chromosomes in the daughter cells. It is haploid in the case of meiosis and diploid in the case of mitosis. Single nuclear division after chromosomal duplication happens in mitosis. 2 nuclear divisions after chromosomal duplication happens in meiosis. Daughter cells are identical to parental cells in mitosis, and because of the crossing over, there is genetic variation that is seen in meiotic division. Let us summarize what we have seen. In this module, we saw what is meiosis, crossing over, significance of meiosis, karyokinesis and cytokinesis, and also we have seen the difference between the mitosis and meiosis. In the next module, I am going to discuss some very important question answers pertaining to this chapter. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all.